Set on an elevated wooden platform, this modern two-story tiny home stretches elegance across just 8 feet of width, yet commands presence like a full-sized villa. From its panoramic sunroom to the warm wooden facade, every inch tells a story. Step onto the 6-foot landing, and through this glass entrance, the journey into smart, beautiful living begins. The living space greets you with a cozy 2-seater sofa beneath a wall-mounted 3-tier rack, decor and function intertwined. A soft rug underfoot and a side coffee table make it the perfect welcome. Across from it, a mounted TV, perfectly positioned for easy evenings in. The clean pathway draws you deeper into this home's clever layout. Next comes this space-saving masterpiece, a staircase that's also a storage hub, refrigerator, and laundry zone. Every step earns its keep. On the right, a secondary glass door gives private access from outside. And then, the heart of the home, an 8-foot marble counter under a broad window, framed by open shelves and cabinets. Across from the kitchen, a simple bench, a perfect perch for conversation, coffee, or keeping the chef company. Through this open-curtained entry lies the bathroom, complete with open toilet, luxury vanity, and a round golden-accented mirror that catches the light just right. Natural light pours in through this full-height window, and on the right, a translucent glass shower enclosure offers both privacy and style. Climb the stairs, and the first stop is the rear bedroom, a calming retreat with a wide in-wall window and thoughtful details like this compact side table. Step forward into this open void, a ceilingless space that connects floors and floods the home with light from the glass panels above. Here, a side door opens directly to the exterior staircase, a discreet entry for guests or quiet arrivals. And now, the showstopper, a sunroom framed in glass on 3 sides, with foldable blinds for light control and privacy. A soft rug, a beanbag for lazy afternoons, and an openable wall that transforms this into a breezy, sunlit lounge. Between the view and the shelves, this corner doubles as a cozy study, a space where ideas flow as freely as the sunlight. From here, it's hard to believe you're in a tiny home. The horizon feels limitless. And if you'd rather skip the main floor entirely, the exterior staircase leads you straight here without disturbing the rest of the home. Every angle, inside and out, tells the same story. Smart design, open space, and a seamless blend of comfort and style. This isn't just a house. It's proof that size doesn't define luxury, design does. Which corner of this home would you claim as yours? Designed and brought to life by NestFrame. For more incredible tiny house tours, smart space ideas, and architectural inspiration, follow us on all social channels. and subscribe on YouTube for the next build.